meat is full too.
Oh yeah, so it's not like an undercut.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Man, I hope I have a decent amount. Nah, it's a grind, bro. Shit.
I'll check it out.
Yeah, definitely.
He said by noon.
You good, bro? It's shit.
No, because it's funny too. Because I usually put my schedule. I changed it to be at we come in at 12 and then leave at 3 or 4. But
He's coming up with a good camera, the Google Pixels.
Bro, some of those videos for Google are pretty
They look crazy.
I like the ones where
They're just too soft. Like they just.
And then, remember, Apple used to talk so much crap about a big phone and a big screen, and then they saw how Samsung still has some features and stuff that Apple don't care for. Their smartwatch.
like I would like an Apple Watch, but I sometimes.
You don't what? Bro, I have one. I don't even wear it, dog.
I probably just buy it since I've never used one before.
The gauze, like, there's no redness, there's no irritation, there's no cut in his eyeball, like. But I'm not gonna take away from what he's feeling. I'm not taking nothing away, bro, because we don't know what he really feels, other than showing no damage. I'm sorry? Yeah, it was. It was a heavyweight fight, bro, that these dudes have been on a year layoff. They've been waiting to fight, and finally the card's here. They went through all the training. The fight's happening. The first round, one of the fighters had his hand open, went 2 fingers into the dude's eyes, and but everyone's, it's 50-50. People are saying that he's going on the way out. He found a way out. He felt like he was about to get his butt whooped for that fight, because he did. The dude that poked his eye, he looked like he was gonna win, but we don't know. What did he put? Do you have a 1099 with Cash App? Because of that?
Where'd you get them? From Fine Line, right? I mean, that's like that.
Huh? 1099. Now, don't get me wrong. If you want assets, you want homes, you want cars, you got to show money. You got to pay Uncle Sam. 2 years consistently. You all right, bro? Good morning, bro. You okay? Good hug, bro. He walked out.
How you feeling, bro?
I'm okay, bro. I woke up. Nothing.
John, we're not gonna get 1099s or what?
Me and I don't know what conversation that's referring to, but what they're saying is what you get through, you got like a 1099 through my CPA, right? Yeah, same exactly.
Copy that.
And if I'm not mistaken, bro, the barber supply lady, Erin, she can write a receipt of everything that you spent, and that'll be a write-off. And
Like, bro.
what happened?
And check senses. No. Yeah, that's not even just a little bit. So that's another reason too why I like to pay her through the cash app, because your cash app like can basically be like your receipt too.
Yeah, that'll be your paper trail.
Yeah.
It
Because technically you only need a receipt from her to get audited. Whatever the amount is, you just put that number in that you pay her as your tax write-off.
yeah. Come on, Erin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you do the same thing with Amazon.
The write-offs go against your net.
Like if I'm trying to get like proof for a house,
I don't have a premium. Yeah. So, and my medicine is 100% covered. Yeah, I got my plaque right there.
Oh shit, that's fire. I didn't even see that.
It's a good conversation starter, bro. It's good when the kids come in, they see it, they're like, oh, bro, what the hell, you're a YouTuber?
Yeah, I bet. You get a lot of younger kids? Or
Not a lot, but I mean, yeah, I mean, here, building my clientele in the barbershop, I have had more kids than I've had in Tampa.
Oh, yeah.
But it's cool. My kid clients in Tampa, bro, I saw them go from a booster seat to driving.
Yo.
And I had kids that I've been cutting hair for 13 years with. So now what we did the sides, we did the taper. Now we're just connecting the top to the sides.
Yeah. I used to grow it out and then cut it short. I've done it a couple times.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I cuts at like this dude's house.
Yeah. Yeah, nah, I went to barber college, bro, and just started pursuing it and fell in love with it. And
Yeah.
that was it, bro. Started making some money doing something that I actually love, getting up in the morning and doing, you know? blow dryer at home?
Yeah.
So we have the diffusion thing.
Damn, you definitely got me right though. I'm not gonna lie.
Just a little bit of clay to mold.
Right. Got me right.
Fuck with it.
Yeah.
Time, let's go.
Shit came out tough, huh?
Bro got me right. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, bro, that's dope.
See, he going out now, huh? You gotta step out.
Definitely.